Stick around as we mount and provide power over Ethernet to some BoxIT Design solutions.
In this video, we're going to show you how to install a BoxIT Design tablet enclosure for your Samsung Tab A and how to provide power and data via PoE. Let's start by listing out the parts you'll need. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools you need to get the job done. We used the GAT USB-C PD, the GAT IW mount. You also want to make sure you grab your tablet, and you'll need some drywall anchors or screws. A 1/4 inch will work. For this install, you'll need a bubble level. You can also use an app on your phone, a pencil for marking, a drywall saw or oscillating tool, a screwdriver, or the option to use a drill with bits. We're assuming the home run cable is already in place, so let's get started. Tyler started out by grabbing the GAT IW mount. What he's doing here is scanning the QR code on the packaging, which will direct him to the online manual. All you have to do is scan it on your camera app. This measuring or outline card is included with the GAT in-wall mount to help guide where you need to cut. This in-wall mounting bracket will be the home for our GAT USB-C PD adapter. Just like Tyler is doing, it's very important to wear your safety goggles and some good earplugs because this oscillating tool gets very loud and produces sawdust. I would also like to point out that we installed these mounts on 3/4 inch MDF instead of sheetrock, so it was a little bit harder to get through. And make sure to clear off any excess debris. Now you're ready to mount the bracket. The mount might not fit perfectly on the first try, so just like Tyler is doing, you might have to go back and touch up a few edges. Now it will fit perfectly within the space you cut out. Then you want to make sure to tighten both screws on the in-wall mount to secure it in place. Then just slide in the GAT USB-C PD, connect the USB-C cable, and your adapter is mounted. Once your PoE adapter is secure, you can move forward with installing the tablet mount. And for good measure, Tyler is making sure the mount is level before fully tightening the screws. Last step is to add your Samsung Tab A. You want to make sure to connect it to the USB-C cable first, then slide it into the opening of the mount. And that's it! You successfully installed a BoxIT Design Samsung Tab A enclosure and provided power with wired data via PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.